If you want to see how to get your afro from this to this, then keep watching. So before I begin this tutorial, I just want to give you a tip for today. If you put a lot of tension on your edges, then they won't grow. Your edges will not strive if you continuously create tight puffs or tight braids. I mean, your edges will not strive. So if you're wondering why your edges are thinning and continuously breaking off, then you might want to think about the styles that you put your hair into. If you create a puff like I did right now and you find it difficult to smile, painful to talk or breathe, then your hair is way too tight, too much tension. As natural hair girls, 4C girls, 4-type hair girls, it is important for us to stay away from high tension hairstyles. So now that we know that, let's go into the tutorial. I'm going to start off by putting some gel on my edges and at the front of my head. My hair is actually pretty damp and very shrunken because I sprayed it with water and moisturizer before putting it up in one. So all I'm doing here is twisting my hair so I can tuck my ends away. After twisting, I make a big plait with all the twists and tuck everything in. I'll be using the newborn Free Effie Drawstring Ponytail in color number 2, purchased on samsbeauty.com. So this is the afro. It has 2 combs that will help with securing the unit, and it also has a drawstring section that helps with tightening the unit around your hair. So I'm just gonna open up the afro as much as possible and put it on. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on, push the combs gently into my hair and tighten the drawstring. And now I'll do a little shake test and wrap the string around my afro to keep it hidden. You can give the afro a bit more volume by pulling on the ends a little. And this is how my afro is looking. I'm just gonna zoom in a bit so you can see how the afro looks up close. Looking good. And now for the big reveal of my edges. Oh my god, what in the world? Oh! I was so disappointed, you guys. Like, the Eco Styling Gel did me dirty. It left white residue on my edges and my hair just didn't come out cute at all. But you know what? I'm in quarantine. No one is gonna see my hair, so it's fine. It's okay. And as a natural girl, I know that headbands fix everything, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop my headband on. Look at that. Boom. 10 times better. So much better. So I bought this drawstring ponytail for $9.99. The price might not be the same when you get on there. I'm not sure, but I paid $10 for this ponytail and I absolutely love it. And I just think it blends in nicely with my hair. I would encourage you to check this ponytail out. I think it is definitely worth the price. You probably can find cheaper ponytails on other websites or in certain stores. I'm not sure, but I can only speak for this ponytail. I absolutely love it. I have not noticed any shedding from the hair thus far. This is probably my third time wearing it. Like, if I saw this on someone else, I probably wouldn't be able to tell that it's a drawstring ponytail. So if it is that you want to have a mega afro for, you know, a particular event, or simply because you like big puffs, then I'm just testing to see if it's heavy. Then you should definitely check this out. I love it. Before I go, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for your support, and thank you for watching.